What's up, guys? Back with another video. In today's video, this is going to be part 1 out of 15. Me and Sage go fishing. Let's go! Sage is filming, by the way. Oof, 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 oof. Okay, guys. Let's go fishing, I guess. Oh wait, I gotta add the bait. Oh shit.
The bait.
I
already have my bait.
We're gonna do the fly. So Sage, you just got guys, I think Sage just got the bait button.
Yeah, like 20 seconds ago.
Yeah.
Oh, hooked bait.
How are you already hooked? It's been 10 seconds. I'm gonna use my good bait at the last second. Also guys, I did mention this in my last video, but all the baits are on a discount right now. Wait, what do you get? Because I can't look. Oh shit.
I just got a normal fish, not like a dead fish or anything.
I've never gotten a fish. I've gotten a dead fish, a boot. Actually, I think I have gotten a fish once. Oh my god, wait, I'm going to do it. Sage, 85%, 90. Oh, never mind. Wait. Yeah, okay, I'm losing.
No, you got this, bro. Lock in.
Oh, shit.
Shit, why are you over here, man?
Because I'm trying to move my thing. Oh, shit. I'm dead. I'm at 14, 5, 3, 2. Oh, my God. Holy shit, no! Bro.
Woo, another good fish.
Woo! How did I miss that? Bro, fishing isn't even fun. It's just rage bait.
Look what I got.
Of course you did, buddy. Why are you such a good fisher, bro?
I used to fish in real life.
Yeah, but this is not the same at all. Wait, if you get another fish, can I have it? Even if you get a boot, can I have it? Please.
Sure.
Because I can't even catch anything. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh, wait, hey! Wait, I think I can do it. I think I just need a better rod.
Fight.
Yo, Sage, I'm gonna get it. Yo! I got my first fish, bro! I got my first fish. Let's go. Bro, Sage, I just got my first fish. Whoa, why is he moving like that? I don't think... Yeah, I've gotten this fish once. So this is my second fish. But I think the other fish... Someone gave it to me. I don't really remember. But I'm gonna go sell this to see if you can actually make money. Because there's another currency now. And now it's fish bones for the new fishing update. So I'm just gonna check. Does the fish even sell for anything? Because if it does, if you grind it for a bunch of times. Wow, I've got an idea. Okay, maybe it's not. I was thinking, what if I put the fishing hook in the selling machine? Like that. And then I put it on my back or something, or just hold it and will it sell? Oh my god! Yo! Bro, Sage, guess what? Oh my god, wait.
What?
Bro, fish do sell for something. So if we just grind it for maybe a day or two, then if we got the best fishing rod in the game and we got the best bait and we sold the fish that we got, then we will be rich. Cause I don't care if we're rich in fish bones. I just want to be rich in actual money because I'm broke. Wait. This is such a good idea. I'm going to use this bait. Look, this is a purple bait.
Same, that's what I'm using.
Oh, nice. Okay, guys, we're going to try to get this now.
I love fishing.
Dun. Yeah, you got a fish.
Yes.
Fish it. You can go sell it if you want to.
Okay.
Go, yeah, Sage, I'm hooked.
A random person.
Sage, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Wait. Yo, I got fish. Let's go. Wait, I might go get a bag. Oh, wait. My friend is calling.
Bruh.
Hello? What are you doing?
Whoa. Oh, help!
Yeah, I'm filming a video right now.
I'm stuck.
Oh, shit! What the fuck?
No.
Hey, what? No. You didn't.
Achoo!
Okay. Bye.
Ow.
Okay, guys, I guess my friend is gonna join. Wait, that's the code word, right? I'm pretty sure that is the code. But why is this fish moving so much? Like, gang, chill. Okay. Frosted 32. Bro, fish is so cute. Look at it. Yeah. So my friend's gonna join. Bro, Sage unfriended me again. Look, guys. The fish jumps. What the fuck? The fish is jumping. Give me my friend.
I'm kidding.
Give me my friend. Look, Reddy's gonna jump. Well, you can't jump anymore.
Well.
Catch. I'm gonna go get a bag. I'm the good bag though. What the? Oh, right. I'm gonna have to hold my fish. It's annoying. I got a crappie. Bro, this is called a crappie. What? What happened? Oh? I don't know why Sage left. Did his VR go flat? Guys, I do not know what's happening with Sage. Hello? You got kicked from the game. How? Are you sure you didn't just leave? Oh. Okay, leave the call.
Okay. What? Didn't you say your friend's gonna join?
Yeah, maybe.
Nice rod. Thanks.
Well, yo, just go.
Frosted, what's up?
Oh, hello. Bro, give me my rod back. Give me that rod.
Okay, we can't.
Bro, I'm trying to grab my
Wait,
camera.
did you just wait when you were over there? Did you just say joined?
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Because I said it 0.1 seconds after, but before you joined.
So what we're doing? What we're doing it, fellows?
We're just
Fellows?
filming
Wait, I
fishing
don't
video.
think I even
Yeah,
added. No, I added you. I added you. For some reason, I just can't see you.
I'm online. Oh. Are you awesome, bitch? Wait, never mind.
Okay.
Ah, there you are. There you
I'm
are.
gonna get to fish.
I don't know what's happening.
Dang, look at those cheeks. Damn.
Whoa. What? Okay. Guys, wait, hang on. What do you want me to call you again? I'm just gonna call you Gary.
Gary. No,
Gary.
just call me, just call me, Fox, because that's my middle name. Just call me Fox.
Fox?
Yeah, just Fox.
Michael J. Fox from Back to the Future. Okay. Guys, we're gonna change the title from Me and Sage Go Fishing Part 1 out of 15 to Me, Sage, and Fox Go Fishing, but Fox probably won't be in part 2 or part 3 or whatever. Or maybe he will. But yeah.
Yeah, I might not be. Hold up, let me grab a rod. Give me the. I'm a new fisherman.
Guess what my bait is? It's a wallet.
I wonder what I'll catch.
Oh my god, bro.
How? Why did my
What
TV
did you
just
get?
turn on?
I didn't get anything.
I want to be
No.
hooked.
How long does it take for a fish? Ah,
Yeah, I
I
know.
rolled it back. Damn it.
The fact that there's no fish is crazy. Hurry
I
up!
only got two. I only got 3 fishes. I only got 3 fishes.
Br- Dum, 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 dum. Small rod,
Whoa! Sick fish. Oh, I'm hooked. I'm
small
hooked.
rod, big rod, small rod, big rod, small rod, big rod. Hurry up, please! Hurry up. Bro, when am I gonna be hooked? How are you hooked? I literally put mine in first, bro. What are these goofy offers? Come on, come on, come on.
Yo,
come on.
I got
I'm
it.
hooked,
I
I'm hooked.
got it. I got it. I got it. I got my fish.
You got your
Fishy.
fish.
You got your
I
fish?
got my. I got a fishy.
I'm catching.
I only have one of those rotten fishes.
Shit!
I
Wait,
only
wait,
have one of
wait, 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 wait.
Oh, that's soft. Come on.
Oh, I got a license plate.
Yo, what's this? Ah, nothing.
Wait, no, 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 no.
Do you want? Who wants to see my diving skills?
Woo!
Archer,
Wait, what the freak?
You.
No! Why is it so hot?
Oh, come here. Fishy boy. Come here, fishy boy. Fishy boy, fishy boy. Fishy boy, where are you? Hey!
Hey, guys!
Yo! What? Where'd my fish go?
Yo,
No!
my fishing rod! My fishing rod
under
is
the
turned
water!
invisible!
Yo!
Yo!
No one's ever got that fish before.
Where's my
What the
fish?
hell?
Where's my fish?
It's there.
Excuse me?
It's right here.
Bro,
Yo, I just got this out of nowhere!
dude, that's my fish.
That's
Give me-
his.
Give me that fish.
Now this is mine.
No,
If it glitched
Bro.
onto my rod, if it...
bro,
That's his.
Fine, go get it. Go get it.
bro, bro, you're gonna make it disappear. Where'd you just throw that?
He threw it in the water so that makes it disappear.
Bro,
When you throw it in the water.
Yo, I found it! I found it!
that's a flashlight, bro.
Bro.
Oh.
No, bro. I haven't even caught that fish. You probably haven't
Oh.
even caught that fish.
Yeah, you're right. I'm a
Exactly.
newbie at fishing. Yo, if I can get that fish back, I'll give it back. If I can get that
You're
fish...
not going to get it back.
Bro,
That is
Yo,
so
don't worry.
crazy.
Stop being crybaby.
what?
Cry, baby.
What? Yo, I lost my fishing rod. Can somebody pick? Oh, I found it. I found it.
Buddy, what?
That's so
Ugh.
crazy.
Yo, how's my FPS right now?
Bro, I'm kicking you.
Okay, not too bad. Oh, wait, what?
That kid Loki deserved it.
Yeah.
Like,
Bro,
he literally deleted your fish.
I know.
That's so crazy.
Bro, that's literally like, I've never gotten that fish before and he deleted it.
Yeah. That was a good fish too. Oh my god, bro.
It was like a golden fish.
I know.
Bro.
Oh my god, this has to be the Valentine's fish. Oh my god.
Bro, he just joined back.
Look at me, Archer. Shit. This has to be the Archer, I was moving my rod like this. That's how fast fish is.
Wait, why is this rock kind of goated? It makes me like better at fishing. I don't know why.
I know, right?
Yo, what is this?
License plate.
Wait, what?
Oh,
I've never gotten this. Wait. Is this good?
nah, it's not good.
Oh, what? Bro, yes it is. What the fuck? Bro, yeah it is. Look.
No way I got a boot, bro.
Okay. Whoa, wait, hang on. No, Sage, it is good, kind of. Because it's...
Yeah, kind of.
Bro, wait, hang on. How is the rotten fish better than it? Wait, how is the rotten fish better than the normal fish?
Huh?
Oh, because it's like rare because it opens up the megalodon. And how did this
What
get
the
here?
fuck? What?
Bro, he's right there.
Hi. I'm just trying to say sorry about. I didn't know it would get deleted.
Nah, but you were like calling me a crowbit.
Yeah, I'm just trying to forgive with hot chalk.
Ah, good.
Bro,
You want another one? You want another one?
Yes, yes.
did bro just drink the most rarest hot chocolate ever?
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
Because
we have-
honestly, it's just a game.
hot truck's coming up.
Sage.
What?
Go buy a weapon and kill him. Yeah, kill him. But be still. Yo, is that hot chocolate? Yo.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
Wait, could you go
go?
get my bait? Could you go get my fish? Like it's like not the other one. Like there's another one over there.
Yeah, I want some.
Yeah, could you go get? Sage, quickly, Sage.
Real
Go, go,
good.
go. Sage.
Kill him.
Bye. Go. Yo, bro, VR gamer Fox, bro, look under the dock, look under the bridge, look, bro, look, no, look, come under here, bro, right now, come here, bro, look, do you see that,
No.
do you see it,
Hey.
Was that all set up? Was
Yeah.
that all
Yeah.
set up?
we are not reviving
Yeah,
you,
the one was-
Sage, go back and kill him again,
And look at the water. It looks amazing. I swear to God.
bro, we do not care, it does not look amazing, it's just water, I'm lucky might end the video here, probably in like 5 minutes. Buddy.
He does. Oh, break.
Oh shit. Sage, help me! I surrender! Stop! Wait, no.
No, I'm out. Then I have to switch.
Sage!
Wriggle.
Bro! Sage! Wait, Sage. Kill him!
We love too much. No, you can't kill me.
I can't kill you.
No, can you see me?
What?
Why, bro?
That's crazy. That's so crazy. That is so crazy.
I'm about to fight.
Wait, I'm not losing my bag. Holy shit, I'm not losing this shit. Buddy is not doing anything.
Bye bye.
Bro, did not kill shit. Buddy did not kill shit.
Buddy.
Oh, fuck you.
Wait, this guy has a revolver.
Sage, kill him.
Ow. Why you hit me? Why you hold me? Why you hit me? Why? I'm waving as much. Why do you?
Bro, there's no way.
I'm waving this guy's bullets. Where are you going? Where are you going?
What do you want to say?
True.
Boy.
Thanks.
Somebody actually.
Buddy's not killing shit. Buddy's not killing shit.
So should we go to the dinosaur mouth?
The dinosaur man.
Yeah, you know, the dinosaur mouth.
Megalodon.
Yeah, the megalodon mouth. Hey, that's not very nice.
No. Shit.
I'm running. Bye bye. I'm running.
Bro's not running from shit. Bro's not running from shit. Bro's Loki not running from shit. Buddy's not running from shit. Never mind.
Oh, yoy.
Oh my god, you're fucking. What even is that?
It's called the Turnstick 1000.
It's called Suck My Cock.
Bye.
Shit.
Wait, what?
Guys, I'm outside of the safe zone. Can't you see that? I'm outside of the safe zone.
Okay, let's go do dinosaur mouth.
Archer. Archer. Archer, done.
What?
Yo, bring like a teleport grenade. Bring a teleport grenade.
Bro did not buy me a gun. Yo, Luke. I can just go like, well, I'm going into the mines. We're going into the mines, boys.
Have fishing one.
Where is he? What you doing there, buddy?
Okay, I'm coming. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready. Okay, let's go to Dinosaur Mouth. Let's go to Dinosaur Mouth.
Totally.
Dinosaur Mouth. Ow, why are you hitting me? Damn, this place is... Yo, stop hitting me! Stop hitting me! Stop hitting me!
Sage, let him make it so he does not escape.
Why are you hitting me? Why are you hitting me?
Ha! That is so payback.
Is my
Holy payback.
okay? Can we please go? Can we please go do dinosaurs?
Yeah, totally, bro, totally.
Okay, here's my hand. Here's my hand. Come with me. You gonna with me, friend?
Yay, I'm back. Okay, let's go and do Dinosaur Mouth. Let's go and do Dinosaur Mouth.
You hit me into death.
And I'm...
Sage, he's gonna escape.
Could I get wedged? All of my stuff fell out my bag. All my stuff fell out my all my stuff fell out my bag. Could you wedge me?
I'm gonna end my video.
You're gonna what?
I'm gonna end my video now.
Okay.
So now can we go and do Dinosaur Mouth?
Yeah, bro, totally.
The next one. Bye bye.
Oof. Oof.
Okay, I'm gonna hop off. I think.
You wanna
What's up,
hop off?
everybody? Welcome to another video. And today we
Wait,
are
Sage,
going
what?
into Dinosaur Mouth. We're going into Dinosaur Mouth.
Oof.
Okay, let's go into Dinosaur Mouth. Busted. Let's go into Dinosaur Mouth. Come on, young boy. Let's go.
Whoa.
Okay, guys. Wait a minute. Okay, guys. That'll be the end of the video now. Bye bye.